Hi, Titans. Over the last couple of days, I've received some questions on how to complete the energy in cells diagram assessment. I put together this little video for you just in order to give you a visual on how I would have completed it. I took the labels that you have linked in the slide and I printed them out and cut them out, and then I utilized a whiteboard to create a few drawings in order to facilitate the flow of the process. So hopefully this is helpful to you. You can use this to springboard your ideas. You can film yourself recording it and actually say what's going on like I did, or you could just do it in a diagram. If you've already submitted it for the week and you want to tweak it, you're more than welcome to do that too. If you are drawing challenged, you can always use the diagrams that are also linked with the slideshow. Totally up to you. Hopefully this is helpful. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to email me and I'll help you this weekend. It is due on Monday. So make sure that you share that with me either through Google Docs or Google Slides, depending on how you do it, and or you can just email it to me. All right, I hope you have a great weekend. Enjoy the great weather. Bye.
So I'm going to illustrate the process of photosynthesis and cellular respiration in this diagram. We have to start off in the chloroplast. First, the sunlight shines down onto the leaf. Carbon dioxide is going to enter into the leaf through holes called stomata. The guard cells will open up to allow the carbon dioxide to come in. Water is going to travel up the plant from the roots and into the chloroplast. When we have all of these ingredients together, the water and carbon dioxide get excited in the chlorophyll from the sunlight, and boom, photosynthesis occurs. And you have the formula CO2 plus H2O in the presence of sunlight gives you C6H12O6 and O2. At this point, the sugar, which is C6H12O6, can either be stored or it can be used by the plant. The oxygen that is left over will also exit out the stomata and into the air. That ends photosynthesis. Now we'll focus on cellular respiration. What happens in cellular respiration is, on your little slides, you have that a human eats the food, but we're going to use a little dog today. So the dog is going to eat the food that contains lots of sugar, or C6H12O6. In this example, we're using carrots because that's about the only vegetable my dogs will eat. The dog is going to breathe in oxygen-rich air. And so these two ingredients, the sugar and the oxygen, are going to travel to a mitochondria in a cell. Here, cellular respiration will occur, and you will have the sugar mixed with the oxygen, and this will give you carbon dioxide, water, and ATP. The ATP will be used to power all the cellular reactions in the body. The H2O will be used, or it can be eliminated through urination or through sweating, as our dog is doing here. And the CO2 is a poison, so it will be breathed out through the respiratory system. And so that concludes our assessment and diagram of photosynthesis and cellular respiration.